Okay, we are ready for another daily market review. Today is Thursday, February 26th. We trade as GrowthBank, the community, every single New York session, 8 a.m. every day. Expect a trade idea from Nas, Gold, and US 30. That's every single day, 8 a.m. New York session. Sunday and Monday are analysis days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are our execution days. In order for you to be a successful trader, you want to make sure you specialize in 2 to 3 different pairs. Focus on those pairs, master those pairs, trade the same pairs every single day. Use proper risk management, and that will ensure your victory in these markets. Okay. So without further ado, we're going to get started. We're going to look over Nas, then we're going to go to gold, and then we are going to go to US 30. All right. So let's start off with Nas. Before we even do any type of playback, let's just take a quick look and observe what market had for us. So if we go to 8 a.m., market was about here, and then it looked like it took the London highs and absolutely dumped. However, when I'm looking at it now, what I see that price sold. However, we did not get a retracement into one of our key zones. That is a 4-hour order block, 1-hour order block, or a fair value gap. None of it happened. So we did not execute any trade ideas on Nas today, Thursday, February 26th. Okay. Let's do a quick overview of gold. As you all know, gold has been consolidating since, let's actually say since Monday, February 23rd. We've been in a horizontal range without too much of any breakouts. We were able to catch some buys in the 1 hour and 15-minute order block. We were able to secure some profits from that. But other than those trades, we have just been bouncing back and forth between these two ranges. Okay. Again, let's go right to Thursday, February 26th, 8 a.m. Let's see where we were at during New York session. We were right about here. We pretty much sold all session, came past the 15-minute order block, did not break it, wicked past it slightly, did not break this low. So for those of you who still respected the order block, still had your entries placed in this 15-minute order block, congratulations. You made some money today. That is good to see. That is good to see, ladies and gentlemen. But again, because price did not break structure and retrace into an order block or a fair value gap, we did not take any trades on gold today. Okay. Let's go on to do a quick overview of US 30. Okay. US 30, a bit confusing where we've been at during our market. Let's go to the hour so we can observe some structure. We had price break these highs, retrace into this 4-hour order block. We took out these lows. We expect a retracement into this 15-minute order block, which was designated by this very, very long wick that we had on Monday, February 23rd. This is an order block that has been respected. We did take out the highs, but we came down. So people who were able to set their entry within this 15-minute order block, chances are they were able to profit. For those of you that saw buy side liquidity, you knew that market was going to come up above liquidity, take out the highs, give you an entry, and then make way down. So for those of you who were able to catch this trade in the 15-minute order block, congratulations. You made some money. Good to see. Okay, so without further ado, let's go and check out where we're at 8 a.m. 8 a.m., we were right here waiting for the buy side liquidity to get taken out. But again, based on our rule set, we were looking for price to break our highs, retrace into an order block, and then go out or break these lows, which they did. They broke the lows, didn't quite retrace into an order block or fair value gap before selling. So US 30, we did not execute Thursday, February 26th. This is a very important message to all traders. Not every day is a day to execute. Part of being a successful trader is knowing when to pick your battles. Okay. Knowing when to pick your battles. The important aspect of having a system that you follow every single day is not forcing your trades, waiting for market to play into your zones, and then striking and executing when the opportunity presents itself. And again, because we wait for price to break a structure, retrace into our order block or fair value gap, and then we select our entries, neither NAS 100, the NASDAQ, gold, or US 30 or Dow Jones executed on our system. So instead of focusing on reviewing these trades, what we're going to talk about is how you, as an individual, an employee, or somebody who just wants to make some extra profit, can successfully join our community and add some extra income to your pocket. While many traders promise you that you'll become millionaires from trading, I have a sobering reality and saying while that is true, it is best if you are strategic, you maintain a strong and steady source of income, and you invest a portion of your income into a proprietary firm. Okay. So for those of you who are new, who aren't familiar with a proprietary firm, this is a firm that allows you to show and prove your trading skills. You show and prove your trading skills, and then they give you the capital to trade. Yes, you heard that correct. These firms give you the capital to trade. And when I say they give you the capital to trade, I'm not talking about $5,000, $10,000. Now, if you want a $5,000 account or $10,000 account, you can get that. I'm talking big capital, 50K, 100K, 200K, and even some firms give you $400,000 to trade. Now, you as a trader, your responsibility is to be able to show the firm, yes, I am profitable under certain rules. I will not have drawdown lower than whatever the allocated amount is. I can be profitable consistently for days at a time. And once you show your profitability, the prop firm will hand over their account to you. You can trade it under strict risk management rules, and you can profit. This, my friends, is a guaranteed path for you, somebody who is an employee, somebody who is interested in trading, somebody who wants some extra money. This is your way to make some extra money. Let's use some math to be able to go over what exactly is possible based on one of my favorite firms, Instant Funding. Instant Funding offers an $800 100K account. Daily drawdown is your daily drawdown is 4% and your max drawdown is 6%. Meaning when you have this 100K account, you cannot risk more than $4,000 in a day. If you do, you lose the account. You cannot lose more than 6% total on the account, which is $6,000. So now the system that we use, we risk 3% max on a 100K account a week, meaning our max risk is $3,000. So if we lose every single trade that week, we will be down 3K. However, our goal as traders is to live to fight another day. So you have to avoid fatal injuries when you trade so that you can make a leap within your next victory. So again, what does that look like? If we have a 100K account and we're risking 3%, our trades that we take are 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. That means for every one that you risk, you expect to gain 3. Okay. So if I'm risking $1,000 on an execution, if my trade wins, I will win $3,000. If I risk my total 3K for the week and I win, I will make $9,000. It's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. As simple as that. So your goal is to be able to add an additional income source. Once you build up enough liquid capital, and I mean 20K, 50K of your own capital to throw into a broker, you can risk whatever you want. You don't have to follow the rules. If you want to risk 10K today on one trade with the possibility of 30K, guess what? You can do that. However, our goal is to offer a structured system that any individual can plug into that will allow them to profit in these markets. Okay. So again, let's be very, very clear about what you need. You, as a trader, need to choose 2 to 3 pairs that you're going to focus on. You need to choose a session that you're going to trade. Your options are New York, London, Tokyo, that you trade every single day without fail. The days that you're going to execute, and your set of rules. Once you have this system locked in, I guarantee you, ladies and gentlemen, you will be a successful trader. Okay? Now, if this sounds confusing, which it might to some, maybe it sounds confusing to people who are brand new, we have a solution for you. You can join our system that has helped over 40 individuals make money. Just today, one of our traders made $2,200 in their account. Another trader for the week is withdrawing $6,000. These are real numbers, ladies and gentlemen. Numbers that you can make once you join our community. Join our free Telegram, GrowthBank, and in this chat, you will see profits. You will see trade ideas. You will see videos. You will see us winning. But if you want to join the winning team, I have great news for you. You will be able to join the paid GrowthBank membership community where you will have access not only to these private calls, you will have access to our community. You will be able to talk trades with other individuals who are in the markets who are profiting. And you will also get access to the GrowthBank trade signals chat. What does that mean? That means that if you do not feel comfortable executing your own trades, you are still learning in the markets, don't fear. We analyze the markets for you every single day and share those trade ideas to our chat every single day. New York session, 8 a.m. This offer goes for $100 a month. A steal for the level of access and profitability you can gain and the financial freedom that you can walk into. You can have all that for as little as $100 a month. But again, because you are early and because I am so focused on seeing everybody in our community make money, until March 28th, you are getting a half off discount on the GrowthBank membership. That means that you can join the GrowthBank membership chat for life at a locked-in price of only $50 a month. Now, however, you have been warned, this ends March 28th, 2026. That is the last time you will be able to join GrowthBank for $50 a month. I will show you guys the Telegram. This is our free Telegram chat. We had gold chart shared with the YouTube link. We had Nas buys. This is a beautiful 1 to 3 that was caught in our trade. Nas buys from New York. What you get, trades, pre-trade analysis, profits floating. Oh my goodness, people making money every day. 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 6, 1 to 4, 7, 1 to 7 trades. This is absolutely insane. And guess what? This is only the free chats. In the GrowthBank trade ideas, here are the trades that get sent. You see, let me not share too much. I'm not going to scroll too high. Once you join, you can see the results for yourself. You can see the results for yourself. The GrowthBank membership chat, here we are. The videos coming in every day for every analysis you can imagine right here at your fingertips. But again, let me not show too much. Your job is to join the free Telegram GrowthBank chat, observe, watch from the sidelines as the Warriors get in the field, execute, slay the markets, and make profits every single day. If you are tired of sitting on the sidelines and you're ready to make money in these markets, go ahead and join the GrowthBank membership chat today. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to sit with you today and offer you these daily market reviews. These days, we go over NASDAQ, we go over gold, we go over Dow Jones, and we make profits together as a family. Ladies and gentlemen, love y'all. God bless and happy profits. That is the daily market review with GrowthBank. I will see you guys tomorrow, Friday, February 27th, for another day of tackling the markets. New York session, 8 a.m. Wake up, have your notifications turned on Telegram, and get ready to make some money. Yes, indeed. Thank you guys so much for joining the call today. I appreciate it. And I will see you all tomorrow. God bless.